See, we might get a stunt for it. You never know. Whoever runs the guy over on the way there wins. Oh, where'd he go?
Oh, see, yeah, we landed in the water. I hit the brakes.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna find out. There's always places on the beach, like cliffs and stuff.
Are the birds up there? What's that on the left?
You can see birds.
Oh.
I'm gonna go up this.
Oh, don't crash our...
Yeah, that's not bad.
Don't kill our dune buggy. We don't have nothing to drive out in this desert.
We need to get this a name. I know. We can call it Spidey.
Spidey?
Huh? That's what my new name's gonna be. My nickname's Spidey.
Well, where's my trike you promised me? My four-wheeler, pal. All you're doing is smashing up a dune buggy. You're supposed to be getting me a four-wheeler, damn it.
I want to do a stunt on a dirt bike. Or for real, land in a train.
Oh, okay. I told you, son, you better get me the damn four-wheeler.
I'm looking right now.
Okay. If not, I'm going to pop the tires on your fucking dune buggy. I'm going to shoot them out, I tell you.
Oh, it's stuck right now. If a train came.
Yeah, they're pretty much sick.
Oh, I got the best jump ever right here.
You might have... Oh,
Woo!
good one. I'm down with that.
Oh,
Oh, you landed on this side of the road.
no. I don't care.
Oh.
I love it. Yes. No. Yes. No.
Yeah, I don't care. My dad didn't get a chance to drive it. It's okay. I'll smash the car all up.
Yeah. How am I going to get over this?
Go up the hill and then smash down into it.
Good.
Now go backwards. It might roll right back over it. No. Go backwards. Look. Right over it. Nope. Good. Oh, you get it now over here. Right there. Jump right to the left.
Can I go on this rock? No. Because I got all the way back. I got away. Stunted. Maybe if I jump right
I
here.
see the way, yeah.
Yeah, that would work.
Yeah, right there. Back it up and get some gas.
That'd be the only way.
Good jump. Good jump. Now you're going backwards. You're going to drive like this.
Still bike.
Get him. Get him, boy.
This is definitely broke. Look.
Oh, yeah, you broke the engine. That's as fast as it goes?
Now it does.
Now that reminds me...
Ow!
Oh! It's about as broke as you are now.
Ow!
Oh, yep. Should have stayed in the go-kart. Let's get on the go-kart, get on the thruway, and then jump out of it in front of traffic.
Yeah.
Good job, son.
I put a gun in his head.
Oh, great job, son. Now you got robbery, carjacking. Might as well keep going now. And you're unarmed.
After.